Welcome to Jazz Bar, where the music is smooth and the drinks are even smoother. Today we're making Orgeat syrup. Just 1.5 cup water, one and a half cup sugar. Go ahead, let that water and sugar simmer on low heat. High heats can do more damage than good. Then you add 1 cup raw almond flour. We're gonna go ahead and stir everything up until everything is playing nice together. No sugar or almond flour left behind. Now there's a couple ways to make this recipe. Ask this a couple ways and slide into someone's DMs. There's the smooth, and then there's the little messy way, but hey, as long as it works, yeah? Go ahead and strain this a couple times and get that smooth consistency. Let it cool down and bottle it up. Now if you only use Orgeat in Mai Tais, you're missing out. Put that magic in coffee, mocktails, add it in a glass of rum, or just sip it straight. I don't judge. But yeah, give this recipe a try. Let me know what you think. Add half a teaspoon of orange blossom water. I added a little drop of almond extract. Give it a stir, let it cool down, and bottle it up in a airtight bottle. There you have it. Orgeat syrup. Pretty easy, right?